Hey guys, it's Rocco Germani. Today we're going to be flying the DJI Spark in high winds. Now, right about now, it's 13-mile-per-hour winds, so I'm going to see how it's going to handle. I'm flying it right from my backyard. There should be a decent amount of interference, but hopefully it goes well. We'll see if it does anything to the gimbal or anything of the sort. So, let's get into it. Alright, here it goes. Okay, so right now it seems to be holding its position pretty well. Let's get up higher so you can actually hear me. Alright, so hopefully if the screen recorder works out pretty well, which it should be recording right now. Yeah, it's being recorded. Then it'll work out. So it's pretty nice. Right now the wind should be around 13 miles per hour. Not much is happening though. What else? Let's take it down this way. Ooh, I am seeing some little jittering. It's going from side to side a bit. And it's not going completely straight. That could be another problem when flying in such a windy day. Yeah, the other day, in fact, it was, we had winds of 40 miles per hour, so I couldn't be flying this thing, and that max is 22. If I fly any more than that, I'm not liable to the warranty. Oh, the exposure. It's the camera right now. Am I in manual mode? Okay. So, now we're gonna... lagging a bit there. And you have the garbage truck outside. Or something. We're gonna head to the back of the street here. You can see it over there. And this is actually working surprisingly well. I'm not getting much interference. Got 16 satellites, that's actually quite a lot. Oh, transition signal. I usually fly at a local park where there's like a lot more range for signal. But who cares? We got this going. I'm gonna point the camera down a bit here. And this screen recorder is pretty new. I'll probably do a review of it later, but it's actually holding up pretty well. Take a video. Okay. That did not. There we go. I'm gonna go forward. Oh, what? Okay, that's weird. You know, let's put it in tripod mode, see how that works. Okay, we're gonna go into tripod mode. Take a little shot going down the little pathway in between the houses. Oh, dang. We have planes flying quite close. It goes quite slow in tripod mode. I did not know that. Yeah, right here in my backyard, you can tell there's not much wind. But that's why it's like 48 degrees right now, so it's probably enough for a video. And stop in tripod mode. And that was pretty stable. Oh, there it is. Now we can go faster. Okay. So 74% battery. I'm gonna fly over to the park here. Ah! Way too fast. Used to tripod mode there. Local park. There it goes, make sure I don't hit anything. See if there's anyone playing outside. I'll put a little montage at the end of the video, but what you should be seeing is like a little image of an LG G6 in like the corner of the video or something. And my video feed from the drone. It's a new thing. Let me know if you like that. So, I'm flying a drone. What can I talk about? I just recently hit 1,000 views. Oh, there's someone at the park running around doing something. My feed's getting a little laggy here. My controller's heating up a bit. I think someone's just throwing the ball. What is going on with the sensitivity right now? This stick is like way too sensitive. Oh, some kids are playing football. That's nice. That's cool. Let's get up a little bit higher so they don't hit my drone. Just in case, you never know. You never know. Ah, dang, what is going on right now? It's so laggy. I mean, I guess that's probably what happens when you fly it from your backyard where there's probably tons of interference. I think they see it. There we go, now we're filming. This is getting laggy. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video there. I do have an SD card on the drone. I have no idea if it's actually gonna go from the SD card to my video feed. Stop the video now. Gonna go up a little bit higher. So how is it holding up with the winds right now? I think the wind has calmed down, certainly, a little bit. I've been trying to get this video filmed all day today, but right now, I'm compromising by filming on a Galaxy Note 4, when I could be filming on like a DSLR camera, even though those aren't the best for filming. I'm using a tripod made of Legos, and because my phone, I have to film with something else other than my phone, which my phone films pretty nice, but the Note 4 actually, it's super laggy, but I think the filming is coming out pretty nice. Hopefully, it's actually filming right now, and I'm not just talking to nobody. It'd be pretty bad. Any kids out playing basketball? Let's look at that. Sorry if there's any background noise. My family is preparing dinner, which I will be going in and eating right after this flight. It does not appear as if there are any kids playing basketball at the court. There's a lot of basketball hoops all over the neighborhood. Okay, it's getting a little laggy here. Go up a bit higher. I don't know why I look over there. It's like directly behind me. 696 feet. It's probably better to start flying from a wide open location. Get some photos. Right now. A little laggy here. Well, while it's lagging in between the camera modes. Whoops. That's nice. No signal. That's lovely. Oh, aircraft disconnected. Even more pleasant. Okay, return home. Return home. Operation timeout. There we go. Yeah, that's probably what I get for flying in my backyard. Dang, it's here already. That's fast. Okay, yeah, I got the signal back. Okay, now I'm gonna fly it that way. No, don't land! Don't land! Don't land. Oh, it's land my roof. I've noticed that when taking side-to-side movements, when turning the drone, like there's a little gimbal weird thing. Like Nerf guns inside. Okay. So, what can I talk about? There it goes. Well, I was going to film on an iPad, but I realized it's probably better to film on an Android because we can pause and play videos while recording in your face, Apple. Although, I use a horrible editing software, so I could use iMovie, but I don't. Because the iPad's never charged, because my brother's always on it. It's not my iPad. Although, I do have to say that Apple makes pretty good tablets. Android hasn't made a good tablet in years, so. And then we have these fake Android tablets called Kindles. I literally told it to stop taking the video twice, and it hasn't done it. Okay. Nice. You can stop now. Okay, by the lake. Switch to camera mode. Oh, that's a nice shot. Yeah, we're getting near sunset right now. Sunset's at like 6:10. Ooh, we should do a photosphere. That'd be fun. See if I can get over the fountain here. Oh yeah. Oh, the thing is, it's jiggling now. The wind's picking up. Oh yeah, it's picking up. We can look at the trees here. I am seeing gimbal jitteriness. Well, I guess, I mean, the wind's probably way higher up there. Oh, image transmission signal. Now let's point the camera down. Oh, low battery warning at 31%. I guess maybe that's not enough time to take... 4 minutes, it's probably not enough to take a photosphere. I gotta be safe, because I have no idea. Oh. I just lost signal again. Yeah, next time I probably will not fly. Oh, that's a nice shot. Oh, just got signal back. Probably will not fly in my backyard anymore. Oh, dinner's ready? Okay, well, it's here right now. So I'll land it. Okay. Oh, there it is. It's loud. Oh, it does not look like it's going to land on my... This is my brother, Roman.
Sup?
Okay. Shoot.
See the red light up there.
Yeah, it's not gonna be accurate landing, though. It's gonna land on the fence.
You think?
Yeah, dude, I can tell from the thing.
Oh, yeah. Well, the camera says that. No, it's not. It'll land.
Gotta make it some more correct. Nope, not right.
It'll land in the grass or the table.
Here, wave up, we'll take a picture. Wave up.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway.
Okay, oh shoot. Shoot. It's gonna land in the grass. I don't know if there's dog crap in there. Oh shoot, okay. Ah.
You said it was gonna land in the grass.
Well, I had to reposition it, boy. I can do that, right? Alright. So, there should be a montage in a few seconds here. And after the montage, I'll give my final verdicts on flying it in the cold weather. Hey guys, so final verdicts on this drone and wind. Oh, hey Summer, what's up? That's my dog. Okay, it was, the wind higher up is significantly, how should I say it, higher in speeds than it is down here. Although, the wind speed down here was only around 13 miles per hour. I was shielded by the fences surrounding my backyard. This drone was getting a little jiggity in the footage. I don't know if you'll be able to see that in the thing. I might edit that out. If you have the DJI Spark and you're filming in windy situations, use tripod mode. That mode makes it extra stable. My Spark sometimes gets a little glitchy, and like the gimbal, when I turn like this, it goes like, whoa. And when it was up there, it was kind of like jiggity a little bit, maybe a little bit more than the gimbal could have taken. But overall, it was still a really solid flight. I probably could have gotten better signal if I had not been in my backyard, where there is tons of interference from other houses, microwaves, or whatnot. So if you enjoyed that video, like and subscribe.
Be sure to hit it really hard.
Okay.
I got it from other YouTubers. I don't know.
Okay, well, if you hit your computer really hard, maybe it'll give me 2 likes instead of 1.
I don't know.
Who knows?
It could happen.
Okay. No, that's not happening. YouTube's broken, but not that broken. I should have put shoes on before I came outside. Well, thank you for...
shoes? Oh my gosh.
Where are you going?
Like the button. Hit the like button.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching that video. On the top, there should be a video that YouTube has selected for you. And on the bottom, there should be either my last drone video or my most recent upload. Okay, I'm Rocco Germani. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Goodbye.
Sure to hit it.
Okay. You can stop that.
Hit it as hard as you can.